After 45 years of reform and opening up, the Chinese economy is now deeply integrated into the world economy. As we speak, the 6th China International Import-Expo, or CIIE, is well underway in Shanghai. The CIIE has become a platform for China to promote high-level opening up and a global public good shared by all. China commits to advancing high-level opening up and steadily expanding institutional opening up of rules, regulations, management, and standards. We will provide more market and investment opportunities for companies from all over the world to share the dividends of China's institutional opening up.